Oh, is this just a picture of a black wall? Or black, wow, it's white. Is this, does this seem like just a blank wall to you? I think this is a blank wall, but oh my gosh, what's that? What's that? Content. That's what this is. There we go. We're gonna need that. What's up? Just chilling out here. It's really comfortable. Doesn't smell like old pizza boxes at all. So you're probably asking a few questions. Hopefully I can answer those, but let's just be honest, I'm probably not going to be able to answer them. Let's do it. I needed a background for stuff, and I had these. So why do I have these? Stop asking questions. Maybe some people have addictions that look a little different, okay? And maybe I didn't want to turn on the heat in my house because it's expensive. And maybe it's not really that expensive in the grand scheme of things, but I just like to be warmed by fun things like this that are velvet, and I like to wear hats, okay? So let's do this with Mr. Command Strips. And this tape that I stole, I didn't steal it. I was supposed to give it back and I forgot. So I'm sorry. I don't even know who I stole it from. Let's get started. Is there a rhyme or reason to this? Who knows? So yeah, we're just gonna tape mom with tape. Here we go. 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 Let's do it. Here we go. Oh, I'm so sorry. Also, do you like my comfort thing? It feels like a cape. I also feel really fat in it, but it's okay. You're supposed to feel fat. That's what the government wants you to think. This is gonna be really messy. We're just gonna throw them on the floor. That's all we can do. First one. Here we go. I implore you, stick. Hey. Oh, it's pretty on there. Yeah, that's my makeshift light. Maybe we should just open the windows. Chaos, 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 chaos. 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 Some people put shoes on their wall. Some people put artwork on their walls. What else? What do people do? I don't know. I'm putting depression on the wall. But this is fun. This is fun. It's looking good already. Yeah. Well, those are on there solid. Solid. This is so expensive. These things are not cheap. These little no, I think I got like 1 million of them for like $7. That's not cheap for some people. Just keep going. I'm gonna do a little dance after every one. Look at that. Look at that. I'm looking at it in the monitor. You look good. Good enough to eat. If you're sensing a little bit of chaotic energy, it's because it is chaotic and energy. That's oddly therapeutic. It's so crafty. Okay. Oh, that's not going to stick. Oh. Stick! I was so nice to you, and you're just not gonna stick. How could you? I think the box is warped. I think I need to change this because it's a tad bit skewed. It was a tad bit skewed. I'm gonna be singing a lot of songs while we're doing this. They're not copyrighted because they're gonna be made up on the spot. So I'll be like, ooh, this quarantine has not let me take a shower more than 2 times in the last 4 weeks. Am I disgusting? Probably. Said, well. These are some weird songs. I'm so sorry. Ooh, when was the last time I brushed my teeth? Who was I brushing them for? Not y'all, cause I live by myself and I can stand the stink. Oh, stop. Oh, trouble in paradise. It likes the wall better than it likes the pizza box. Oh, how cute. How cute. But not today, honey. You're messing stuff up. You're making this bad. Oh. Whoa. Oh. That's why I didn't want to stay on the wall, because it knew. Ugh, you're wasting stuff, Joel. Come on. Y'all don't want to stick to nothing. Y'all don't want to stick. Oh, yeah. Yeah, some of these have paint on them. Stop looking at those. Was anybody else upset about the way they sang That's the Way I Like It in From Justin to Kelly? I just remembered that and I'm offended by that. Why would they do that? Better. Ham is a food that is good, less you vegan. Ham is a thing that is good. Ham is a thing that is good, but ain't my preference on pizza. Is pepperoni ham? I think it might be, is pepperoni pork? Hey Siri, is pepperoni pork?
Here's an answer from wikipedia.org. Pepperoni is an American variety of salami made from cured pork and beef mixed together and seasoned with paprika or other chili pepper.
So it's half pork, half pepper, half beef. Can't be 3 halves of the same. Can't be 3 halves. Sorry I didn't get an agreement. Stop coming after me, y'all. Sometimes I feel like all I can eat for dinner is pizza. I know it's bad for me. I know there are other things, but what else can I eat? Oh, pizza, you're good when I am sad. Pizza, you're good when things are bad. Pizza, you give me such indigestion, but that is not enough to make me stop loving you. Pizza, oh pizza. Okay, that's a little too much. It's like you're performing or something. It's like people are watching or something. Oh. Pizza is. Pizza is. Pizza is. Should we be talking about something while we're doing this? I feel like I'm only singing because I feel the pressure to. Stop pressuring me to sing. Ooh, another one bites the dust. Another one bites the crust. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I said this was therapeutic, but this is starting to be a noise. I wonder if this is going to attract bugs. Bugs. Oh, I don't like bugs. They're so nasty. Bugs are nasty. This is what you call ADHD. And if you think this is all the pizza boxes I have, you're sadly mistaken. I am constantly adding to my collection. This isn't all of them. Oh. Gonna have to vacuum again, just vacuumed, but you know what? Who cares about what you just did? Do it again. Go Tigers! This is Tigers stuff. I'm from Michigan. Yay, Detroit Tigers. Never been to a game. Yuck. Yuck. I have officially run out of command strips. So we're gonna go on to the janky tape. Welcome to the ghetto. Ooh, girl, ooh, we are in the ghetto. So I'm just gonna get these unnecessarily large scissors. I use them to cut my leather stuff. So, highly recommended. Best scissors you'll ever have. Fiskars is trembling. Everybody's like, oh my god, I would be so sick of this, and why aren't you eating better, quality pizza? Yes. Some people would be sick of this, but I am not. I'm getting another one tonight. I do think I'll start having more variety in my diet when I have more accountability. So like if I get into a relationship and we're eating together, I'll have one more person to make the decision for me, and it won't be, hopefully, won't be two of us wanting Little Caesars every single night. I like to eat the same thing all the time. Now, why don't I have a higher quality pizza? I don't really like high quality pizza. I know, sue me, crucify me, call the police. I really don't like high quality pizza. I have definitely tasted it. I've tasted some of the best pizza you can get in New York. Tasted Detroit style pizza, which I didn't even know was a thing. I've tasted Chicago style pizza, all that stuff. I don't really like gourmet pizza. I just find it to be overwhelming and the taste to be a little bit too complex. I want something that's simple and familiar, and this is simple and familiar. A lot of people think this pizza tastes like pizza. This pizza tastes like garbage. Sometimes it does taste like garbage. Sometimes the people who are making these don't know what they're doing. The last one. That's all he ate. Yum. Yeah. Yay. So we'll put a few more pieces of tape on those. Okay, I guess on those two. You gonna fall off too? Nah. There we go. Solid. Okay, you're gonna be difficult. Maybe not. Okay. Okay, you are gonna be difficult. Yay. So all of this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Yes, this is pointless. No, I'm not suggesting you go out and just eat this amount of pizza. You shouldn't do that. Like, I don't recommend that. A pizza is a pie. Pie is irrational. My emotions are pizza. I am pizza. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I thought this was just a really quirky, chaotic thing to do, to make a blank wall look interesting and to show a little bit about me, because this happened. I also have a ridiculous obsession with Panda Express, so it's Panda Express and Little Caesars. Those are problems number 1 and 2. Panda Express is probably, pizza, this is worse. Little Caesars is worse. I also cook sometimes. I like cooking steak and broccoli. That's like my favorite meal. I wouldn't say I'm good at cooking steak, but I'm not bad at cooking steak. I pan-sear my steaks. And broccoli is my favorite food, period. The only thing I eat at Panda Express is broccoli beef. When I cook, I literally only cook steak and broccoli. I have the capacity to eat other food, but this is just easier. Pizza is the pizza ever you will.
Krusty Pizza is the pizza ever you will.
But that's it. That's my story. Find me on social media. Give me a follow to get more hot and ready content. It works. If you want to, go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends, go buy a pizza. This is not sponsored, or is it? It's not sponsored. Please, Little Caesars, I know that this is gonna be a great opportunity for you to do some sort of advertisement, but don't do that to me. Please don't. I don't want to be known for this. Even though this is a great conversation to have, and even though I'm not taking this down for the foreseeable future, don't come after me. That's gonna be so sad. Watch the next video be sponsored by Little Caesars. Oh, subscribe. Yeah. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll never get a notification, because I don't have any sort of like plan for these. So subscribe. I might mess around and post a video or something. I don't know. Who knows? Also, give me some ideas for what you think I should do with the other 30 boxes that I still have. But that's all, folks. See ya when I see ya. If you see this, that's an L and that's a C. Mind blown, right? What the heck? It's like we're a national treasure or something. Who knew? Who knew?